Welcome to the heart of Calgary, Alberta, a city known for its modern skyline, the iconic Calgary Tower, and a lively mix of business, culture, and nature. But hidden in the middle of this busy downtown core lies a peaceful green escape that might surprise even lifelong Calgarians, the Devonian Gardens. Tucked Tucked away on the fourth floor of the core shopping center, this indoor garden is a true urban oasis. It spans nearly 1 hectare or about 2.5 acres of lush greenery, all beneath a massive glass roof that lets natural sunlight pour in year around. No matter what the weather is like outside, snow, wind, or rainy, inside the air is warm, the plants are thriving, and the atmosphere is calm. Devonian Gardens was Devonian Gardens was originally opened in 1977 as a gift to the city from the Devonian Group of Charitable Foundations. Since then, it has become a special part of Calgary's downtown identity. After undergoing a complete renovation, it reopened in 2012, refreshed, reimagined, and even more beautiful. As you explore the garden, you will find over 500 trees and more than 50 different plant species, from towering palms to delicate flowers and vibrant tropical plants. Many of these trees have been growing indoors for decades. It's a living landscape that continues to evolve. The garden also features flowering fountains, a peaceful koi pond, and striking art placed throughout the space. These elements blend the natural and the artistic, creating a space that's not only visually beautiful but emotionally calming. You will see people sitting on benches, enjoying their lunch, reading, or just soaking in the quiet, a rare find in the middle of a bustling city. Here also a dedicated children's play area, perfect for families with the little ones, and plenty of open seating for individuals and small groups. The gardens are wheelchair accessible, stroller friendly, and fully integrated with the rest of the shopping center, making them easy to visit for people of all ages. Beyond being a place to unwind, Devonian Gardens serve as a community hub. Throughout the year, it hosts events like yoga classes, workshops, and public art displays, offering something for both locals and visitors alike. Some people even use it as a quiet workspace, a natural backdrop for taking calls or getting creative. What makes Devonian Gardens so unique is how it blends nature with urban life. It reminds us that even in the middle of a concrete city, we can create space for greenery, calm, and connection. It's not just a garden, it's a symbol of how modern cities can still prioritize beauty and wellness. If you are ever in If you are ever in Calgary, whether you live here or you are just visiting, take a moment to stop by Devonian Gardens. It's free, accessible, and open year round. Trust me, it's a peaceful escape you would not forget. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and join me, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel, nature, and city discoveries. See you next time.